Hello, and welcome to class. Today we're going to talk about the origins of three words: panic, bless, and booty. And yes, I'm going to tell you why we call a woman's butt her booty. And don't be naughty, pay attention. So panic means to freak out, as if you're in extreme fear. So where does panic come from? So you may remember that horny little goat man, the Greek god Pan. Well, he was the god of the forest. You've been in the forest at night when it gets really scary? Well, the Greeks believed that he hid in the forest to spook you. The Greeks had a phrase, panikondema, which literally means panic fear. They believed that the god Pan was causing fear in people. So we keep the word panic whenever we describe someone who's freaked out because they're scared. So the next word is bless. You might think if you were blessed it'd be a good thing, but the origin of bless is a little bit darker than you might think. The word bless comes from an Old English word blesien, which literally means consecrated in blood. The word goes back to ancient times when people would sacrifice animals to receive the blessings from gods. The word blesien became blessin, which means to consecrate or make holy, which eventually turned into bless. So what's funny about this is, if someone says God bless you, that literally means God bathe you in blood. So what about booty? We'll go over two meanings, one about pirate's treasure and the other about girl's butt. So where did booty come from? So in terms of a pirate's treasure, it comes from a Middle German word, bude, which means distribution or share. So what would happen is when pirates would take over a ship, they would gather all the treasures and distribute them among each person. And this was called your booty. So over time, the word got mixed with the Old English term boot, which means profit or advantage. That's where we get the phrase, I've got 5 apples and an orange to boot. The boot indicating that I have an extra profit or advantage. And although booty and loot sound a lot like each other, their origins have nothing to do with each other. The word loot comes from a Hindu term, lut, which means something plundered. So how did a girl's butt become a booty? This one's pretty interesting, but I think I got it figured out. That word is related to the boot that you wear on your feet, which is traced back to Old French times in the 12th century, which meant footwear. So this word goes back to the late 1800s, early 1900s, when people rode around in stagecoaches. There was a bar in the back that people stepped on to get into the stagecoach. This is what we called the boot, because that's what you put your boot on. And sometimes people rode around on it. So when cars came along, we started calling the back of the car a boot or a booty, like the back of a stagecoach. And because the back of the car stuck out, someone compared it to a woman's butt, and that's how we called her butt a booty. So that's the origins of panic, bless, and booty. If there's any words you'd like to know the origins of, please leave me a comment and I'll be happy to do it. In future videos, we're going to learn the origins of the words exuberant and prostitute. And in another video, facts about the Nintendo Wii. Thanks for watching. Please rate my video and I will see you soon.
I know it'll cheer you up. The yellow button. Click it and subscribe.